What's going on, guys? Today is the final race of FTR season. We're about to wrap everything up today. I'm gonna be racing C-Class on my Honda 450. Max is also gonna be racing C-Class. He's making a comeback after his injury today. It's a lot of exciting stuff going on today. I can't wait for you guys to see. Let's get straight into it. Today, Sam is working the event so he can secure a 4th place overall for the year. Him working will match his highest placement, and that is 2nd place. This is your first ever job, man. Yeah. First place, baby. You got first, yeah.
Are you letting your younger brother kick your ass?
Hell no. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, here we go. As you guys can see, Max got a pretty decent start. Right now he is in 7th place going into the first turn, keeping up with the pack. It's a little bit dusty out here. As you can see though, I did not get a good start. 10th place off the line. I easily catch up to 8th right behind Max on the first turn. I gotta keep up. I'm running through dust and all of this crazy shit right now. Just trying to keep up and regain that lost time I had on that bad start. Coming to the end of the straightaways, we are about to head into the wood sections, and as you see on the right, oh, it looks like there was a crash right here, and at the same time I sneak right past Max to steal that 5th place spot. Now here we go into the wood section. Max is trailing me. Let's see if he can keep up. And right here, I was not able to make the turn sharp enough. As you guys can see, I pretty much got stuck right into that tree. I had to push it out as fast as I could. And as you can see right here, somebody snuck right past us. And now I gotta make up this time. And the trick to these kind of races, you need to use your different routes to your advantage. Oh, right about here, we're on the straightaway. I'm absolutely pulling away from Stefan right here. This section right here is very interesting because it was more like sand dunes, you know? You couldn't really go fast. Obviously you couldn't go slow either. You just had to kind of get through it. It was rough, not very smooth or fast or anything. Just kind of had to get through it. And right here I'm passing Dimitri and Anthony to my left, taking the 1st place spot. I didn't even know I was in 1st place right here. I was just going and trying to pass anybody who was in front of me. Here comes Max, and as you can see, there's Anthony and Dimitri right there. Now Max is in 3rd place, still behind me. Not sure how far behind me he is at this moment in time, but you know, he's keeping up. little known fact, Yankee right here, he just raced and won the beginner dirt bike class 5 minutes before racing this race. And he ended up finishing second place in quad AA. One of the biggest challenges about this race was the tight sections. As you guys can see, there's a lot of palm trees, palmetto bushes, pretty much anything that's from the state of Florida just jammed right in front of you. And as you can see, there's people getting stuck everywhere. So to carefully navigate through these trees and really gain some speed on the straightaways is really what's going to carry you in this race. And here I go to finish my first lap. Now I realize I'm in first place, so I gotta absolutely haul ass if I want to stay here. So here I go, coming by, dusted out everybody that was over there. That was my fault. I'm sorry about that. And I didn't even pay attention. I didn't even see the hard mode track right there, and I would have taken it if I noticed that it was there, because that is a faster track to take basically than the easy one. And here I am going through another tight section. Really, it's just bobbing and weaving through these trails right here. And oh, look at that, right about here I run into a palmetto bush. Now I gotta push myself out. And it's the little things like that that really catch up to you. You gotta make your turn sharp, you gotta be committed to it, and get through it. See, as you see right here, just bobbing and weaving through these trees. It's just absolutely very, very tight, very technical in these parts. And right here there's a lot of dirt bike trails that won't necessarily fit a quad through it, so you got to go around the trees and make sure you pick your right lanes before you try doing it. And right here, I'm finishing my third lap, and really my last lap. I didn't even know or realize this was my last lap. I was ready to go do another lap out there, but they ended up waving me off and stuff, and I was like, whoa, that caught me by surprise. So, yeah, I finished my first ever first place, and I feel pretty damn good about it.
Well, I just finished the last race at FTR for the season. I just got my first ever first place, and I'm so stoked about that. Whew. Max right now is still coming in. I think that's So I think as of the second lap, Max was in 6th place, so he should be coming in any minute now. But we did it.
So for this being Max's first ever FTR C-Class Honda 450 whatever race, he did pretty good, knowing the fact that next year he's going to be racing this class. He's going to have all summer to prepare for it. I believe next year he will be a force to be reckoned with. Well guys, that is it for the 2022-2023 FTR racing season, and man, it was an absolute blast. Of course, you guys know I wasn't able to make pretty much the first half of the season due to work and stuff. So, but coming up this next racing season, the 2023-2024 season, I will be making majority of the races. So, my plan for next year, I'm trying to get top 3 overall in C class, and hopefully the following year after that, I'll move up to B class. So, that's the plan going forward. I'm very excited about it. We're gonna be doing a lot of training over the summer. Stay tuned for all that. So this season has been pretty successful. Our boy Brian Padine, he ended up getting first place overall in C class. Congratulations to him. He'll be receiving a jacket and a big old trophy at that banquet. Max and Sam both finished top 5, Max getting 2nd and Sam getting 4th overall in their classes, so they will also be receiving plaques and trophies and whatever they end up getting at the banquet. So congratulations to them, repping the team and all that. They're doing pretty good out there. I'm very excited, looking forward. We're gonna be doing a whole lot of training, a whole lot of videos. over the summer, so a lot of good stuff coming up. If you guys have any video suggestions at all, leave a comment down below and I'll try my very best to see if we can make something happen. Basically, the past couple of my videos pretty much all been racing videos. Now that we're going into the summer, I have more of a freedom to do kind of whatever our heart desires, you know what I mean? So definitely looking forward to that. And yeah, so alright guys, well I guess that's it for me. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.